Every expert was once a beginner. Today is another step towards becoming an automation expert. So today we will learn the drop-down UI in the NodeRED dashboard. So as its name suggests, it helps us to select a value, a single value or multiple values from a list. As we always use in our day-to-day life in some question papers. So let's understand this. First I'll assign this a group in our dashboard and you will give it a label like choose the color. Now you can give label and values different and same also. What you want to show to the user and what you want to get from it. Like I want integer 1 when user chooses the red color. When he chooses blue, I want 2. So you can have these three options in your value and label you can write here. I want 3 when he chooses white color. Allow multiple selections from the list. You can also do it from here. And if message arrive on input, pass through the output. So if I don't want to select, I just do it with my flow, then also it should work. So this is that option. Just deploy it and connect a debug. Now you see a drop down here to select the color. So 2 comes here. Similarly, similarly you can do your practical applications from these where you need to select something particular or choose 2 or 3 values. Now let's take this one option and deploy. Now I am able to select 2 colors also, red and blue. So I got an array which contains 1 and 2. So I hope you learned something new today. Keep practicing because that's how you master Node. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.